Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Daily Coding. Today we are going to discuss about reverse array. If we have to reverse array and we don't have to use another array to keep the value, how we'll proceed? So let's start our solution, and then let me first explain it how it will be look like. Here, suppose we created an array. Here we have value 1, 2, and 3, and we have to reverse the array. It should be look like this. So here it will be 3 and then 2 and then 1, and we don't have to use any additional array where we'll keep the value and then we can use. Here we'll apply the two pointer technique. We have to create 2 point left and right. This is the left, this is the left, and this will be the right. So left equal to 0, we define left equal to 0, and right equal to size of array L minus 1, and it will be left will be always less than right. So here we have to define left equal to right, left less than equal to less than right, and left need to be defined always less than right, and then here we have to use the swap logic. So we have to swap the value. So we have to create one temp variable where we'll keep this array of left. Let me explain it here. Here suppose we created temp value, and then here we defined this value. Array of left is 1, and then we have to array of left. In the array of left we have to define array of right. We have to assign the value of array of right. So it will be like this, and so this array of left, and then again we have to, so here this 3 value came, and then we have to define assign the temp value here. So it one will be come here, and the same way it will be swap the value. And if, and then we have to increment left plus plus and right minus minus. So here we are increasing left plus plus and right minus minus, and if this logic will be false, then our array is reverse. So let's start writing the code and see how it's look like. Let me define this value left equal to 0, integer right, array dot length minus 1. Now we have to write while logic, and left less than right, and we are creating here one new temp variable where we'll assign the array of left, then array of left we have to assign array of right. Okay, and array of right, we are going to assign the temp value, and we have to increase left plus plus and right minus minus. And we are not creating any additional array to store the reverse array. Here we are modifying the array in place, and let's see the result. Let me compile the code, and here all test cases passed, and let me submit this code, and all the test cases passed. So here we can see we are creating two pointer left and right, and we are adding the condition left should be less than right. We are defining array of left in the temp variable, then array of right assign in the array of left, and in the array of right we are assigning temp variable, and then we are increasing left plus plus and right minus minus. Using this approach, we are easily able to reverse the array, and it's very simple logic, and we are computing in the O of n. It's not required any additional space. So space is also O of 1, and you can see here you can easily solve this problem using two pointer technique. I hope you like the video, and we'll meet in the next video. And if you have any doubt or you need any clarification, please put your comment. We'll provide the solution for that, or we'll try to clarify more. For now, signing off. We'll meet in the next video. Please like and subscribe our video.